And then update an instructor's middle initial. That one's going to be a little more complicated because we're going to upsert instructor. But we know how to do it correctly now, so it should be pretty easy. So update instructor's middle initial. Here's update instructor, and I'm getting the middle initial, and I'm calling the setter. I'm going to go ahead and call instructor.add to database, and that's going to upsert the new information. So in my database add instructor to database, instead of calling this, I'm going to call cls.under instructors dot update one, and then the ID is going to be instructor.getKey. So that's the document I'm going to change. And then the changes I'm going to make are going to be to set the document to instructor.toDict. So I'm going to replace the document with this new dictionary, and this is going to be an upsert operation. So if it doesn't exist, it'll add a new one. And that should be it. So let's go ahead and run it. And let's update an instructor's middle initial. And let's do Po-Chin Chang. And we'll say the middle initial is X. And now let's print CIS 122. And we see that Po-Chin's middle initial is now X. Actually, let me do Jeff Fried as well. So we'll update Jeff Fried to Y, and then we'll print 122. So Jeff's middle initial is Y and Po-Chin's middle initial is X. Now I'm going to stop the program and run it again. And we'll print CIS 122. And Jeff's middle initial is Y and Po-Chin's is X. So those changes got saved. And then just to make sure upsert is working, I'm going to make a new instructor for I'm starting to run out of instructors. Let's add an instructor to CIS 122. Juan Maldonado, a yes. And I didn't get an error, so let's go ahead and stop and run. Print CIS 122. And one is in the list, so upsert of new instructors is working fine.